Hi everyone, the Penguin Chef here. Today we're going to be making my grandmother's potato salad. So to start with, I boiled 4 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. Now I know there's a whole controversy on the internet what kind of potatoes to use and how to cook them. Suffice to say, my grandmother used Yukon Gold, she boiled them whole, so that's what I did. Once they were just turning fork tender, I took them out of the pot, let them cool, peeled them, cut them into bite-sized pieces. I hard-boiled 8 eggs and mashed them up real good with my potato masher. And now here we are with our potato pieces in my ridiculously big metal mixing bowl. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in those 8 hard-boiled eggs. Then we're gonna add in a half a cup of finely chopped Italian parsley, a half a cup of chopped celery. I have found myself making this potato salad and didn't have any celery on hand. So to replace the crunch that celery offers, I used 1 can of chopped water chestnuts. Then we're gonna add 3 finely chopped sweet pickles, the baby size, and 3 finely chopped baby dill pickles. The last thing we add right now is 1 chopped red onion. And we're just gonna toss that around. All right, once that's good and tossed, we're gonna set it aside and make our dressing. So in my mixing bowl here, I have a 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, and to that we're gonna add a 1.5 tablespoons of mustard. You can use yellow or Dijon, whatever you have around or whatever your preference is. I guess you could use stone ground too. Never tried that. Maybe I should. And then we mix. Once that's all mixed up, we're gonna add to that a 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a 1.5 tablespoons of the brine from our sweet pickles, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And then we mix. Now that our dressing's all mixed up, we're gonna pour it into our mixing bowl and toss it until it's well mixed. Once this is all mixed up, you're gonna wanna refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before serving. Well, there we have it, my grandmother's potato salad. It was a constant at most of the family barbecues I can remember, and of course, it's my favorite potato salad, and I hope it'll be yours too. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the channel for more great recipes. Until next time.